T-Mobile's error 403, known as forbidden access, means the server is denying your request due to insufficient permissions. The main cause is VPN interference, where T-Mobile blocks VPN IP addresses that it detects as suspicious. The second main reason is cache and browser issues, where corrupted cache can cause stale authentication and lead to 403 errors. Login problems are another main reason, such as invalid credentials, expired sessions, or multi-factor authentication glitches. To quickly resolve it, first, disable any VPN you're using. Then, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Finally, try logging into your T-Mobile account again. These steps address the most common causes of the error. If basic fixes don't work, try using incognito mode or contacting T-Mobile support to see if your IP address is blocked. T-Mobile is integrating AI chatbots to automatically diagnose and fix these errors. A Reddit user had repeated 403 errors while logging into the My T-Mobile app via VPN, NordVPN. Disabling VPN and clearing app cache resolved it instantly. Looking ahead, T-Mobile aims to develop VPN-friendly protocols using AI, potentially reducing these errors. The telecom industry is also shifting toward unified authentication, e.g. via blockchain or biometric logins, which could minimize cache and login errors. However, as 6G emerges, network complexities might introduce new variants of access denials. Keep your T-Mobile app updated for the latest fixes.